Alrighty, so this is Air Canada Flight 7. This is from Vancouver International, YVR, to Hong Kong International, HKG. Going 777-300 ER extended range. Got a better seat this time, a lot of wing action. So it should be good, for in-flight videos, I would say. We've got, they're listed at 12 hours, 25 minutes flight time. There we go. So, thanks for joining on this flight video, and hope you enjoy it. So just finishing up boarding here on Air Canada Flight 7, as stated, to Hong Kong International. 12-hour, 25-minute flight time they're listing. 777-300 extended range. How you feeling about this? Fair enough, I'd say.
早晨，我係廖偉廉。早晨好，我姓廖。My name is Captain Philip Mew, and I'm saying good morning because it is morning at our destination. More on that in a moment. Joining me in the flight deck today, and second in command, is First Officer Thomas Mole, First Officer Daniel Cavani, and First Officer Marco Adebar. We got a great crew of cabin safety professionals on board today. They'll be working under the supervision of Service Director Jara Kaufman and Service Director Jose S. Paye. I expect to be pushing back over the next few minutes. Our route to Hong Kong today is over Alaska and Russia. The winds along this route are a little bit lighter than average, and so we're going to get to Hong Kong 5 minutes faster than published. Scheduled arrival time is 5:40 p.m. and I'm going to make a preliminary estimate of 5:35 p.m. tomorrow, Tuesday, November the 3rd. There is a 16-hour time change from Vancouver to Hong Kong. So note the correct time in Hong Kong. It's 4:03 in the morning. 4:03 a.m. For our arrival, winter expected to be out of the east. Temperature about 26 or 7 degrees Celsius. I'll update you later on the flight on our arrival time and the Hong Kong weather. Thank you for choosing Air Canada. We hope you enjoy the flight. Merci pour avoir choisi Air Canada.
Cabin crew prepare your
and now pushing back.
For your safety and comfort, we ask that you pay attention to this short video. Please place baggage in the overhead bin and heavier items under the seat in front of you. If you have any concerns, please let one of us know.
Si vous avez besoin d'aide ou si vous avez des préoccupations, adressez-vous simplement à l'un d'entre nous. Merci d'avoir choisi de voyager avec Air Canada.
Thank you for choosing to fly with Air Canada.
gentlemen, we'll be distributing complimentary earphones shortly. Then we'll be offering a hot dinner. And a late meal will be served halfway through our flight. And prior to landing, a light snack will be served. Mesdames et messieurs, nous vous invitons à boucler votre siège sur la réglementation fédérale interdit de fumer à bord. De plus, Air Canada interdit l'utilisation de cigarettes électroniques. Lorsque le signal de présentation sera éteint, nous allons passer dans la cabine de pilote des écouteurs gratuits. Nous allons offrir un service repas suivi de